Now we will study fifth problem, okay? Past necessary journal entries in the books of Nanda for the month of 2016. So first entry we have Nanda commenced business with cash rupees 1 lakh and goods worth rupees 50,000. As we know, it has been started with the business, right? They have cash, she has invested 1 lakh and goods 50,000. So what will be the entry here? Cash account debit, stock account debit to Nanda's capital account, because she brought cash also as well as stock also here. So 1 lakh cash and 50,000 stock. So together Nanda's capital account we will transfer 1 lakh 50,000. What will be the narration? Being business commenced here. Okay. Then what is the second entry we are having? Opened a bank account with rupees 25,000. Okay, so she has opened a bank account now. When she has opened a bank account means what it is? She has deposited 25,000 into bank. So banker is the receiver. So bank account will be debited. As cash deposited, cash goes out. So being cash deposited into bank will be the narration. The bank account we are going to debit because receiver, and to cash account because cash goes out. Okay, 25,000 it is. The next entry we have on 5th. Sold goods to Ashok rupees 10,000 and received cash rupees 5,000. So we have sold goods to Ashok. He is the receiver, so his account will be debited. And from him we have received only 5,000 rupees here. Okay, when still 5,000 we have to receive. So Ashok's account debit 5,000, cash account debit 5,000 what we have received, and to sales account 10,000 means whatever sales we have done 10,000, in that 5,000 still he has to pay, and 5,000 already we have received the cash here. Okay, so there will be a compound entry. You will be having Ashok's account debit 5,000, still he has to pay, cash account debit what he paid already 5,000 rupees, to sales account 10,000. Okay, then being goods sold and cash received, because we have sold goods also and we have received cash also here. Okay, the next entry you have on 8th. Okay, received from Ashok 4,900 in full settlement of his account, means we have received from him 4,900 rupees. Actually earlier how much we should receive from him? Still 5,000, right? But we are receiving only 4,900 from him in full settlement, means we are giving a discount to him. Okay, so on 8th it is cash account debit 4,900 we are receiving, and discount allowed means it is an expense for us, loss for us, it will be debited. So discount allowed account debit 100 to Ashok's account 5,000. See in the previous statement, previous journal entry, Ashok has to pay still 5,000 rupees to us, but we are collecting only 4,900. Okay, then we have allowed him a discount of rupees 100 rupees. Okay, the narration you are going to write being cash received and discount allowed. Okay, the next entry you have on 10th. Bought goods from Amar 15,000 and issued a check for rupees 5,000, means we have purchased now from Amar 15,000 and we have given a check to him for rupees 5,000. What will be the entry then? Purchases account debit 15,000. Okay, because 15,000 goods we have purchased, and to Amar's account 10,000 check we have issued, right? To bank account 5,000. Whenever you issue the check, banker will be the payer here, right? Banker will receive the amount, right? So because of that, banker will pay that amount, so bank account will be credited here. Okay, so purchases account, total purchases we have made 15,000, check we have paid of 5,000, still to Amar we have to pay 10,000 rupees, that we have mentioned here. Okay, being goods purchased and paid by check. The next entry we are having paid to Amar 9,000 in full settlement of his account, means how much we have paid now? 9,000 rupees in full settlement. Okay, actually how much we should pay to Amar? See the previous journal entry here, 10,000 we should pay, but how much we are paying now? 9,000 rupees, because 1,000 we are not able to pay. It is a discount for us. Whenever we earn a discount, it is income, so it will be credited. Okay, Amar's account debit 10,000 we should pay, but to cash how much we are paying? 9,000 rupees, and how much we have earned the discount here? 1,000. So to discount earned 1,000 rupees, and narration being cash paid and discount earned. Okay, the next you have on 18th, okay, paid for repairs for rupees 500 and electricity charges rupees 500. So we have paid both here, repairs 500 and electricity charges 500, means together we have paid 1000 rupees here. Okay, so on 18th, repairs account debit, as it is a expense it will be debited, electricity charges account debit as it is a expense, and we have paid cash how much, 1000 rupees for both the expenses, right, 500 and 500. So to cash we have paid 1000 rupees. So being repairs and electricity charges paid here. The next you are having on 20th, bought a motorcycle for domestic purpose for rupees 20,000, means they have purchased it but for domestic purpose, okay, drawings. So we will mention here it as drawings. Domestic purpose means for personal expense, so we will record it as drawings here, okay. Drawings account debit to bank account, being cash withdrawn for personal expense, that is 20,000 rupees. The next you have on 25th, received rent rupees 5,000 and interest rupees 4,000. Okay, we have received both. Rent we have received 5,000 and interest 4,000. So together how much cash we have received? Total 9,000 rupees. Cash received means cash account debit, cash comes in, right? So cash account debit 9,000. What all we have received? To rent it is income received, right? So to rent 5,000. To interest received it is income, so 4,000. So together we have received 9,000 cash, being, right, change the narration there, okay, being rent and interest received, okay, change the narration of 25th, being rent and interest received, okay. Next on 30th, paid salary 5,000 and wages 3,000 by check. So we have paid salary also as well as wages also, rupees 5,000 and 3,000. So total 8,000 check we have issued, right? So salary account debit, wages account debit, both are expenses. To bank account 8,000 rupees we are paying. So being salary and wages paid by check. Okay, then grand total you should write 2,47,000. I hope you are clear with it. Okay, still if you have any doubt you can get it clarified. Okay, then sort it out. Remaining homework problems I will give, means another 5 problems. Okay, you have to write the journal entries of it, and further we'll study ledgers. Okay, tomorrow I'll send one PDF file of all the problems from all the chapters it is, okay, which I will send in a PDF. I want you to take a printout of it so that I will solve all the problems whatever there in that PDF file. Okay, then just you have to take a printout of it and go through whenever we solve the problems, and from homework also I'll give from that only. So what I want you to do, tomorrow I'll upload it, okay, in your WhatsApp group, so you can download it and you have to take a printout of it. All the chapters it is, all the chapter problems, like first 5 chapters what I thought it is not of problems, it is only of theory part, okay. Rest 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th chapters. Okay, so totally 9 chapters you have problems. Those I will send the video, sorry, PDF file I'll send, which I want you to take a printout of it. Okay, then if you have any doubt in this you can get it clarified.